Hi, I'm Deepti Sharma. I'm an assistant professor in management and organization area in the department of Amrit Modi Management School. Today I'll be talking about sustainability business and society. This is a course which mostly MBA folks takes. Integrated MBA engineering students can also take this course. Course is basically about the holistic view of businesses integrating into sustainability, government responses and societal views about such actions. Sustainability and business and society focuses on sustainable actions and businesses' point of view towards these actions, and government try to enforce and adopt these sustainability practices with the help of businesses. Society also takes a standpoint where they talk about the actions of businesses, whether it's enough or not, whether they deem to do any more possible actions to improve the overall environmental well-being as well as the profitability of the business. In this course, we will be talking about circular economy, sustainable development goals, how businesses take natural resources as a raw material for their production. We also talk about infrastructure related to electronic vehicles, solar grids, energy transitions from hydro, wind, water, biofuel, etc. And towards the end of the course, we will conclude with some economic evaluations of these natural resources, where we will talk about measuring and managing the stakeholders and shareholders' welfare, which is basically profit as well as environmental impact. This course gives you a hands-on experience in terms of understanding the real-life sustainable decisions that businesses take. What is the impact on government? What is the impact on society? We will run it through simulations. We will also enjoy some videos. We will read some articles. We will also go through some business cases which will apply some of the core concepts in sustainability in terms of their applications in business, how businesses take action, businesses face dilemma, and what are some of the policy frameworks and larger dilemmas and larger frameworks that business, society and government can have. In terms of the context and material that we utilize for this course, we use Harvard Business School designed simulations. These simulations are fairly easy to run. They will give you some hands-on experience, give you some business dilemma, and give you a dashboard of the performance of the business in terms of profitability and environmental impact. We will also use HBS designed case studies on Coca-Cola, Mahindra & Mahindra, ABB, Gucci, H&M, Dalmia, Nestle. These companies engage in sustainability and they have a huge tie-up with their respective governments in which they work. We also look at the governmental action in Singapore in terms of energy consumption. We will also look at how First Solar, a champion in solar energy in USA, transformed the energy from non-renewable resources to renewable resources. And in Indian context, we will look at ITC E-Chopal, we will look at Selco India, again a pioneer in the solar system. These case studies, these simulations are widely used in similar business courses across the best courses run in India, such as IIMs, ISBs, and these courses and materials that we'll use for this course are fairly easy to understand, are very discussion oriented, and it will only take students 40% of throughout their course. As per the attendance policy and grade policy is concerned, we are very lenient in terms of giving the group projects. They are free to choose their group. Then we will have some writing assignments during the course. We will have some in-class quiz which will be based on MCQs, and then we will conclude the course with a small examination of 40%. Institution policy for attendance is also applicable in this course, and it is 6 classes that you miss is what you require. In case of any queries, please write to me and reach out to me on my email ID of deepti.sharma@ahmedabaduniversity.edu.in. Thank you.